Hey everyone, and welcome back. We've been getting a ton of questions and concerns from all of you about online identity theft.
It's definitely a hot topic, and for good reason.
Right, so we really wanted to do a deep dive into this and sort of cut through all the noise out there,
Yeah, give you the tools to actually understand it and protect yourselves without feeling overwhelmed.
Exactly, because the numbers are honestly pretty scary. Like in 2023 alone, there were over 1.4 million identity theft reports in the US.
That's crazy.
I know, right? It breaks down to like 1 every 22 seconds. It's mind-blowing.
Really puts it into perspective, doesn't it? More while we're having this conversation, someone's probably having their identity stolen.
Yeah, it's a constant threat for sure. So let's get down to basics. Online identity theft is essentially when someone steals your personal information online.
Right. Things like your social security number, credit card details, even photos, anything they can use to basically impersonate you.
And then they can use that to, commit fraud and all sorts of nasty stuff.
Yeah, open accounts in your name, drain your bank accounts. The damage can be massive.
And it happens in so many different ways. Phishing emails, those tricky ones that look legit.
Oh yeah, those are classic.
Then there's fake websites designed to steal your logins. And of course, massive data breaches where companies get hacked and your info gets exposed.
So it's like a digital minefield out there.
It really is. And one thing that really stuck with me, cybersecurity expert Dr. Jane Smith said this: your data is currency.
Wow, it's powerful.
Makes you realize just how valuable your information is, especially to criminals.
Absolutely. And why protecting it is so crucial.
So let's talk about the impact. We all hear about it, but what does it actually look like? Imagine this. Someone, let's call him Alex, clicks a suspicious link.
Oh, no.
And bam, their savings are drained, credit cards maxed out.
Oh, that's awful.
And it doesn't end there. Months later, they're still battling credit agencies trying to fix their credit score.
Yeah, and there could be such a long and stressful process.
Absolutely. And we can't forget the emotional toll. That FTC report, the one you should, it found that 30% of victims experience significant emotional distress.
The anxiety, the feeling of violation is huge.
So, okay, enough doom and gloom. How do we actually protect ourselves?
Let's talk strategy.
Exactly. Think of it as building your digital armor and the first line of defense. Strong, unique passwords.
Absolutely. Ditch the password 123 and go for a mix of letters, numbers, symbols, the whole works.
And most importantly, use different passwords for each of your accounts.
Right, because if one gets compromised, it doesn't mean they all do.
And look, I know it can be a lot to keep track of.
Oh, for sure.
So consider using a password manager. It's like a digital vault that generates and stores all your passwords securely.
Makes life so much easier.
Okay, next up, two-factor authentication, or 2FA.
Ah, yes, it's essential.
It adds an extra layer of security. So even if someone gets your password, they'll need a code sent to your phone or email to actually get it.
It's like having a second lock on your door.
And when it comes to those phishing attempts, those tricky emails and websites, be super cautious.
Vigilance is key.
Before you click any link, hover your mouse over it to see the actual web address.
Right, because it might not be what it seems.
Look for any misspellings or anything suspicious, and double check the sender's email address too.
Sometimes it's just a single letter off, so easy to miss.
Now here's something else you can do. Credit freezes and alerts. You can set these up with Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax.
Those are the big three credit bureaus, right?
Yep. A credit freeze basically locks down your credit report, making it way harder for thieves to open new accounts in your name.
That's a strong move.
And credit alerts notify you anytime someone tries to access your credit.
So you can catch any suspicious activity early on.
Exactly. Oh, one last thing. Keep all your software updated.
Oh yeah, those updates aren't just for fun new features.
I know, right? They often include crucial security patches that fix vulnerabilities hackers could exploit.
Think of it as giving your digital armor a regular tune-up.
Okay, but let's say the worst happens and you do become a victim. What should you do?
Action is key.
First things first. Contact your bank and credit card companies immediately to report the fraud.
Don't wait. Every second counts.
Then, file a report with the FTC at identitytheft.gov.
They have tons of resources, and they track identity theft trends.
And be sure to alert the credit bureaus to freeze your credit report. And file a police report as well.
Having that documentation can be really important down the line.
Okay, before we wrap up, let's bust some myths. Myth number 1. I don't shop online, so I'm safe.
Well, that's a common one.
But not true. Any online account can hold your personal information. Even something like a gym membership or a social media profile can be compromised.
It's not just about financial transactions anymore.
And myth number 2, only wealthy people are targets.
Nope, not at all.
Hackers target anyone whose data they can exploit. It's about volume, casting a wide net.
And remember, even small bits of information can be pieced together to build a bigger picture.
So the big takeaway here is, vigilance is key. Be aware, take those preventative steps, and know what to do if you do become a victim.
Absolutely. It's an ongoing process, but it's worth it for the peace of mind.
Now here's something to think about. As our digital lives become even more intertwined, what other kinds of personal information beyond just the financial stuff might become targets for identity theft in the future?
That's a good question.
It's something to consider as we move forward in this digital world. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive, and we'll catch you next time.
Stay safe out there, everyone.